it's Courtney Bree or Coco Bree, whichever you like to call me. Today we're doing RYUK. This is going to be such an involved cosplay, so I'm not gonna even do a long intro. I just wanna like get right into it. I will come back in and do check-ins. So right now we're gonna get started on the belt. So yesterday I actually worked on 3D printing the belt. I bought a belt from Amazon and it was fine. It was cute or whatever, but something about making your own just feels so fulfilling. So I just wanted to see what the buckle would look like if I tried to 3D print it myself, and it actually came out really cute, so I'm gonna use that one. Next, I spray painted it silver, and then I started working on sewing the band. I used this elastic band in my Huntress cosplay, so I'm deconstructing it to reuse it. Okay, so next I'm gonna secure it with some Velcro. And I really like this kind because it's self-adhesive. Okay, so long story short, it was too small. Like, it would not come up over my hips. This is the footage from my unboxing video, and y'all, I decided to cut it in half and add an elastic band to the back to give it some more room. Okay, so let's talk about the wings. They were supposed to be here a few days ago. I ordered them from Amazon because I was trying to be lazy. It came with 2. Which is perfect because the wings didn't come. So now I have these black feathers to work with. It's very pretty. I think I'm going to cut this in half and then sew the elastic bands and somehow make it, I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. It just like worked out perfectly that it came with 2. So I'm very grateful for that. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started crafting that. All right, let's move on to the eyes, which is probably the part that I was most excited for. The plan is to take some ping pong balls and cut them in half and then paint them. And I was so excited that I had some, but then I opened the box and they were pink, which was not gonna work. So of course I hopped in my car and went to Target. Any excuse to go to Target, right? But while I was out, I also stopped at Ralph's because I realized I didn't have any apples. And the only ball options that Target had were like the 12 pack and they were kind of expensive. So I was like, Okay, I'm cutting the ping pong balls in half. I'm using an X-Acto knife at first to pierce it, but then I use a box cutter for the rest of the way. And I know it's sped up here, but I'm actually going extremely slow. Since I'm gluing these to my face, I'm using a nail file so that the edges will be smooth. Next, I'm using a sharp object to make a tiny hole so that I'll be able to see while I'm filming. Now I put tape in the middle because I'm trying to draw like the circles perfectly, which I still have not figured out how to draw a circle on a cylindrical object. Yeah, it was just as good as it was gonna get, okay? Just draw the circles as best as you can. Look, me erasing. Since these are going to be applied to my face, I wanted to use my Mayron Paradise paints, which are makeup paints, especially since it's gonna be close to my eyes. I didn't want to risk it with any other kind of paint, and they worked out perfectly fine. Okay, baby, the hair. So I just took one of my short curly wigs and flat ironed the front. The goal is to get that front piece to stick up straight on its own. So I'm gonna use my Got2b glue to freeze it in place and hopefully it stays. Okay, let's make the earring really quickly. I'm not gonna lie, this was kind of an afterthought and y'all know how thorough I am, so I had to improvise. I found a necklace that I rarely wear and I connected it to an earring that's kind of in the same shape as RYUK's. I planned on making prosthetics and using moldable plastic for the teeth. It was gonna be a whole thing, but I ran out of time, but here I am making it, but I didn't include it in the final footage, so. Okay, update. I'm about to start filming the video. And I'm just importing some of the footage to make sure like the editing is gonna work out properly. I'm gonna rotoscope the apple. I was gonna green screen it, but I kind of just want to rotoscope it. The green screen is fine, but it's just like I don't want to have to deal with like the spill and all that kind of stuff going on. I'm waiting for the sun to go down. Let's do a time check. What time is it?
4:46 p.m.
Okay, it's 4:46 p.m. So by the time I finish doing the makeup, I should be in the clear. So now I just have to film part 1 of the like little video that I'm doing. I'm going to import the footage that I have, make space on my phone. It's just a lot going on in this noggin of mine. I really want to knock this out today. I don't want to have to do this more than today because this is a lot. I'm gonna be okay. My hair says it all. I'm gonna go ahead and get started and set up the shot for the video. What's a good look without props, right? So I'm making the Death Note notebook. I'm using a composition notebook, construction paper, and tape. Really simple. Hey guys, it's 10:28 p.m. Today has been a day, okay? So I filmed the first part of the video, I filmed the first part of the transition, and now I'm about to finally put on the makeup, put on the outfit, and film the last part of the transition. We are in the home stretch. Cute that my goal was what, 9 o'clock earlier? Yeah, no, not even close. So the lighting in here is gonna look a little wonky because the lights are literally set up in there because I can't move them for the transition. We are gonna go ahead and get started on this makeup. Y'all, me and this look, we're tussling. You'll be able to see the full version of that plus the tutorial on my Patreon. I know I keep bringing it up, but I want to make it fair for the people who have subscribed because as you can see, these videos take literally forever. But this is the general gist of what I did for the makeup. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe we pulled this off. The hair stayed in place and I attached the ping pong balls with lash glue to my lids. But since the hole was so little and I couldn't really see how I looked, I did another version with contacts just in case the ping pong eyes didn't work. Alright you guys, this is the final look. For the spikes, I used lash glue. They held up pretty well, kind of. I'm actually really excited to see how this turns out. I can barely see, so I hope, fingers crossed, that this all came out okay. I'm very happy. RYUK is that grow, okay? I really want to do rim too. All right, spike down. Thank you guys so much for being here. There will be exclusive behind the scenes content on my Patreon. It's patreon.com/CocoBrie. 3 tiers over there. It's a $3, $5, and $15. All the benefits are listed. So if you want to check it out, go check that out. Follow me on all my socials. I'm CocoBrie everywhere. I also have CocoBrie Cosplay on Instagram. Yeah, I think that is it. I'm gonna get out of this. Oh, we need to do a final time check. What time is it?
It's 3:22 a.m.
It's 3:22 a.m. This has been a full day. I haven't done one of these in a minute. So I'm gonna get out of this cosplay, take a shower, and hop in the bed and edit this tomorrow. So anyways, thank you guys for being here and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.